The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally here, and in this exclusive first look, we're unboxing the stunning pink gold edition. Samsung has always pushed the boundaries when it comes to innovation, and with the S25 Ultra, they've taken it a step further. From a redesigned aesthetic to upgraded performance, let's dive into everything that makes this flagship special. Unboxing experience, the first look. Opening the sleek black box of the Galaxy S25 Ultra feels premium. Samsung has adopted a minimalist packaging style, continuing its eco-friendly approach. As you lift the lid, the first thing that catches your eye is the gorgeous pink gold finish, a shade that exudes elegance and sophistication. What's inside the box? Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in pink gold, USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide and SIM ejector tool. No charger included. As per Samsung's recent trend, the absence of a charging brick continues to be a debated topic. But Samsung ensures that most users already have a compatible charger from previous models. Design and build. A premium upgrade. Samsung has refined the S25 Ultra's design with more squared-off edges and a slightly curved display that offers a perfect blend of aesthetics and usability. The pink gold finish is a unique addition to the Ultra lineup, catering to those who prefer a softer yet premium look. Key design changes include slimmer bezels for a more immersive display, lighter and stronger titanium frame, replacing the previous aluminum structure, Gorilla Glass armor for enhanced durability against drops and scratches. Display brighter, smoother, and smarter. The S25 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 2K resolution and an adaptive 144Hz refresh rate. A first for Samsung. This ensures buttery smooth scrolling and an even more responsive touch experience. Samsung has also introduced AI-driven brightness control, which adapts to your surroundings more effectively than ever before, making outdoor visibility effortless. Performance, the beast unleashed. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on the region. This chipset promises 35% better CPU performance, 40% improved GPU efficiency, AI-enhanced optimizations for battery life and gaming, with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. This phone is a true powerhouse, handling multitasking, gaming, and heavy applications effortlessly. Camera, evolutionary, not just iterative. Samsung's camera game is always strong, and the S25 Ultra takes mobile photography to new heights. The device features 200MP primary sensor, upgraded for better low-light performance, 50MP periscope telephoto lens, capable of 5x and 10x optical zoom, 12MP ultra-wide lens for stunning landscape shots, new AI-enhanced portrait and night modes. Samsung has also improved video stabilization, allowing for 8K recording at 30 frames per second with near DSLR quality performance. S Pen, more features, better precision. The built-in S Pen is more responsive than ever, with lower latency and additional AI-assisted features for note-taking, drawing, and editing. The new Air Gestures 2.0 lets you control your phone without even touching the screen. Battery and charging all-day powerhouse. Equipped with a 5,500 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra boasts an impressive 20% boost in efficiency. Samsung has optimized power consumption, ensuring a full day's charge even with heavy usage. Charging speeds remain at 45W wired and 25W wireless, but the new AI-driven power management system ensures longer battery health over time. Software, One UI 7.0 and Galaxy AI. The S25 Ultra debuts with One UI 7.0, built on Android 15. The major highlights include Galaxy AI-powered smart suggestions for improved productivity, customizable always-on display, and lock screen widgets, AI-driven voice transcription, and real-time translation. Samsung has also promised 7 years of major OS updates, making this a future-proof investment. Should you buy the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? If you're looking for a premium flagship with cutting-edge features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a solid choice. The pink gold edition adds a fresh aesthetic, and with industry-leading performance, a powerful camera setup, and AI-driven optimizations, it's one of the best smartphones of 2025. Final verdict. Is the pink gold edition worth it? Samsung is clearly experimenting with colors, and the pink gold S25 Ultra is a bold yet elegant statement. If you want a device that stands out while delivering top-tier performance, this is the perfect choice.